compete with your tools. I don't know.
So this guy right here, this gentleman, happened to race a BMW on the way. Do you see that belt,
I don't know. Like,
mister?
at this point, it's probably it could be the pump.
That belt was supposed to be on that, not under.
Alex.
So.
Well, fluid. Is there fluid? I mean, yeah. There's. Is that? I don't even know if it's for me. Wait, can I say that? No, it's not, I don't even know. All I know is that the belt is like wrapped underneath the power steering pump, and it's like.
Yeah, we gotta take the bumper off.
Do we really?
Yeah.
How are we gonna reach everything else?
We gotta take it off.
You can't get it through here.
No.
Bro, no. The only way to do this is by jacking up your car. Okay, but might as well take out the fucking front bumper. Why? You can't do anything with the front bumper. You can't access anything with the front bumper. Yes, you can. What? Literally, bro, I swear to God, when I took my shit off, you can see like straight through. No, that's your fucking condenser in your radiator. You're not gonna do
Your radiator.
Well, so what do you want to do with the parts? Yeah, make this one.
Yo, my fucking belt is absolutely gone. I don't have a belt.
Yada yada. What the fuck is you doing?
He's driving, dude.
Skirt!
Okay, why the fuck are you turning your wheel while you're driving?
Because I'm drifting, bro.
Oh!
That's e-brake. That's e-brake.
Okay, so like how are you switching gears?
Both, bro. I'm fast.
Oh,
That was you.
Oh.
Isn't it hot as fuck?
Bir adam yaklaştı, bir anda birden o dedi ki geç ayağına kadar.
Water over there. You want to get it?
I don't have any other clothes. Dude, I didn't lose a single mile. I actually gained miles.
I'm gonna look this way, turn around, and she's just gonna grab it.
All in one lane. Going on like what, the 56, right?
Yeah.
This thing is all the way in the right lane. You're going
He
like
did-
60 while we're doing 75. Like, Carson, are you gonna speed up, bro, or no? He's just cruising. He's like, yo, I know it's a Honda, but come on, bro, step on it just a little bit.
That was a wrong world back there.
He flies up past me. Next thing you know, I look over and he's just got his steering wheel off.
Kenny.
Over here getting Chris tuned up, huh?
Yeah.
Nice little tunes. Hopefully I'll be... Man, I don't even know.
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, no, I know it's gonna be nice. I'm just a... Well, it's just a flame map, right? So you don't need
Flame
anything.
and-
You don't need nothing.
Flames.
You don't need
No
anything.
power?
No power.
No power, just-
No power.
For right now, no power.
What do you mean for right now? Okay, no. Right here. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we have to determine, because you need to vlog this in part of your life. Honestly, if I was you, I'd be taking this moment very seriously, because getting your car tuned, I think, is a very,
I'm pretty sure
very
I have a
nice
leak
flex.
in like one of the lines. Yeah.
Okay, anyways, so are we going for more like look or power wise?
Right now,
Over,
we're going for
no.
look.
What's the
overall
build?
looks.
What's the build?
Overall, at the end,
Overall
finished
looks,
look.
yeah, for sure.
Looks, yeah.
Like
You're probably gonna do like 400 something
Kinda like
at
that.
most.
Okay, don't point at the 300ZX.
No, that.
The Z, 50Z, 50Z.
Oh, no, here's RB26. She's chilling.
Alright, let's see what they're doing here. Man, I would love to get a street tuned, you know?
I think I'm going to in January.
So if you're just hooking up the computer,
Hell yeah.
Non-resonating time.
stock white plate, which I'm gonna change eventually to ISR, same as you,
Yeah.
and then ISR results.
ISR axle back.
Axle
That's
back.
single exit axle back exhaust, because you almost made me buy one thinking that it was the full exhaust, and then I kind of had to double check myself.
Well, why would you get the full exhaust if you already have the ISR?
No, what I would have done if it was the full ISR single exit, I would have kept my motor down pipes and then just put on the ISR white pipe and the single.
But don't you have the ISR white pipe right
I
now?
have an ISR white pipe already.
Okay, well then you
I
can still
just
get
need.
the single.
No, I like my dual tip.
Oh, okay, but like,
if you were gonna get it.
Oh,
then,
no, yeah. So honestly, dude, this is gonna sound nice as shit. Like it's gonna be look.
Okay, his flames are gonna go like right here.
No, bigger. This motherfucker.
It's
just
good
said
2
right
feet.
here.
Yeah,
Bro,
2
No,
feet.
you coming out here, bro.
I'm coming out.
Yeah, you coming out.
But be ready for like gas money.
Like right here. Watch this come out.
You're gonna see Chris less because that's gonna spend hella gas.
Bro, like look, bro. He's just casually setting it up right now. Like nothing ever happened.
He gonna tell you, okay, let's go up here. All right, go.
I was gonna go up and down here,
And then all of a sudden, me and Mitchell go.
and we're just gonna be like,
Yeah, and it's gonna be loud as shit.
me and Ken's gonna be like,
Yep. And then he's gonna like come down from right here. It's gonna be. And we're just like,
Broken necks.
yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, that's just clean though.
Now you just need to fix the looks of your car, bro, because it needs it more than the tune.
yeah.
So what?
I'm lowering it, painting my rims and calipers,
Yeah.
doing a whole like body decal. Have you seen Jasmine's, the one with the demon face and the trees, the white one?
Oh, the one that's
White
like
Z?
all over exploded.
Yeah. Something like that, but I'm gonna do a different style.
Okay.
They're like $300. I looked it up.
That's it.
Hell yeah.
And then look,
But I'm gonna pay it.
Dyno though.
That's
The
more.
dyno's back there though.
Yeah, that's more.
Isn't it 100 more?
It's like 650.
650 for a dyno. No, I like a street. That's what I would want.
So that you could drive it and just feel the.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be so.
But on dyno, I think it gives it more of a.
So how hard was it to install your spark plugs? Was it stressful?
No, literally me and Alex did that shit in like 2 hours total. Like we took a break to eat pizza and shit, but like we took off for us, we have to take off like the main brace, the bar that's on top of our engine.
Yeah.
Take out our intake piping.
Yeah.
Take out the throttle bodies,
Yeah.
and then that's
For real?
Yeah.
Just to get to the spark plugs.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, because like the back ones, you have to take up the throttle body and then the coils, and you can see all 6 of them. You have to take out the coils, pull it out, and then you have to. If you ever need, I have the tool for it, so we can twist out the
I
spark
might
plug.
just come to your clip.
Yeah, no, we can do it literally.
Yeah, when I get a tune, I think before the tune I need to get a. I don't need to get a. Chris, pay attention.
Sorry.
Yes, we're.
I don't need to get a
focusing on the car here.
Y pipe, right, or X pipe. I can just. The exhaust doesn't matter
For what?
to get a tune.
You're gonna need test pipes.
You're
sure?
gonna need some sort of opening. Other
Which
than
is your test
OEM.
pipes, which means you have to take out your cats. Which means your check engine light's gonna come on.
Yeah.
It is already on.
Okay, but then
Wait, why?
why is it?
I have check engine soon light on.
Which is your check engine light?
No, it's not. It's different. Check engine light is different.
no.
Wait, check engine
soon
soon is check engine light.
No, it's not.
Mitch,
Check engine light is for my exhaust. Okay, I looked it up. So when you take out any part of your muffler or cats,
No, muffler.
Let me film you saying this, bro.
Thank you so much. Okay, when you take off the muffler, the light will not come on. I was very pissed. I was very worried at the time when I was getting my muffler bleed that would happen. No. I swapped out my white pipe. Nothing happened. I swapped out my cats because for BQs.
maybe my cats are bad.
We have maybe your cats are bad because we have a little plug here, okay? Oh boy.
It's about just like.
Yeah, that would've been wild.
I hope you have gas.
Oh no, I have a full tank.
Yeah,
look,
you
see,
gassed
no,
up.
see, look, I have a full tank, boy. And then you can see that.
But I think my cats are bad
Yeah,
because
it could be. Because for mine, so when I did my
do you
motor,
feel it when you're driving when your cats are bad?
you could definitely feel any sort of like.
I feel kind of like
feel like
it
also
cuts
rattle
power
too.
sometimes. Like
That's what cats do. They cut your power by a lot.
that's why when I'm in first gear,
like test pipes add like
I
15
think-
extra horsepower.
No.
no, it don't.
Get out of your fucking.
No, I
That's like
swear.
3, nigga.
So say you swear.
Test pipes add like 3, bro.
Hey, 3 is 3.
3 is 3. It's just airflow. That's all it is. It's not gonna give.
I still. This is. Look behind you.
This is a fucking Sylvia.
No, that's the G37.
Oh yeah, I know that's a G37, but they took G37 conversion.
What?
Yeah, look. In
What the
front,
fuck?
G37 headlights, and in the back it's a Sylvia.
They just cut it out.
probably saw all the G's back there.
How'd y'all like it? It was like a museum.
Hell yeah. There's like 20 fucking different engines out there.
Still gotta break it.
Yeah.
Probably the best $500 you've ever spent in your life. Bro, what? Yo, he gave me 5 maps.
5 maps for 500?
He gave me my regular, like no pop map.
Yeah.
He gave me a regular just Burble map without flames.
Yeah.
And then the map that I'm in now is Burble with flames.
Yeah.
And then he gave me a valet mode where it only goes up to 3K RPMs and then only like 30 miles an hour. And then security mode where if I put that bitch on, the car won't even start.
What do you mean?
So like if I leave it at like an airport and like someone breaks in and tries to steal the car won't turn on because there's no fuel going into the engine.
That's pretty cool.
And then I have rolling anti-lag where if I'm over like 3K I can pop.
Yeah.
And then like race and shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Holy fuck, dude. Not here.
Bro, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. You gotta hear it, bro.
Hold on, watch the.
Holy shit! I was literally coming. I'm sorry. I got in your way.
It's hella.
Dude, you got it. Look. But wait.
Chris! Chris, come here! How do you say you change the mode again? To POV? Oh, there you go.
Hey, that was HR. You about to blow shit up. No joke. Catch the grass on fire.
Stop.
Keep going.
Love it.
He's hey, watch out.
Hell yeah.
Bitch, bro. We need single X's, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. That shit's huge.
Wait, so what'd you get? Just slants? Yo, was that? Dude, your flames are huge, bro.
Yeah, that shit. I didn't see shit.
Oh, I'll show you. Wait, so you got flames and all that?
Let's go. It's cold as fuck.
Don't even
go for an hour.
Wait, can you redo it? I wasn't here.
Hey.
That shit was
Can you redo it? I closed my
Yo, hey, Chris, keep going.
Oh yeah,
bro.
it must have been nice. I would have.
Yeah, bro.
Chris, blow your shit up, bro. Keep going. Come on. Blow this shit up, Chris. Come on, you a pussy. You won.
Wait. Chris, bro.
Alright, so now I can say we're out.
Yo, I'm trying to roll out now.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to that one warehouse first, warehouse park, and then we'll
Is that what the one we went to last time?
Yeah, we're gonna go there because the people that are cool with us now, so we can just chill there for a bit until we find an actual place where we can take pictures. But we want to get a little warm first.
Yeah, we're on top, bro. I just know that motherfucker, bro.
Mitch, you riding with me?
Oh yeah.
Huh? I didn't waste a single gallon of gas.
How do you feel, Chris?
This shit is
Some
good.
suggestions? Yes, no, something that will blow up my sauce.
What's going on?
Nothing much, dude. Back at it again in the. What do we even call this? What do we call this place? Wawa Part 2. Wawa Part 2.
The garage.
No. Oh, I mean, yeah.
The garage.
The
When I was driving, bro, my flame's big.